Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you Bennington's 2019-23 RSR. This boat's in the Matador red color with the blackout package. You see it's got all the railings anodized black as well as the side skirts and rub rail. This boat comes with the stainless steel dock lights. It's got the seagrass flooring tinted to match the platinum interior with espresso diamond pressed accent. This boat does have the pillow top upholstery with the flip down armrests, USB chargers conveniently placed. Also has the removable cup holders that can be placed anywhere in the boat. Spot for a table up here in the bow as well. This is one of our most popular floor plans. It has the captain and co-captain's chair with the stern radius seating. What that means is you have the same seats in the back of the boat, just like you have up there in the front. Everything down to the flip down armrests. We do have the filler seat in this boat, which encompasses the whole stern radius into a comfortable seating position. That is removable. It can be placed in the bow of the boat as well. This has the removable ski pylon and a Mercury 250 horsepower engine on the extended aft deck. This is the nicest console on the market. It's got the extended helm, full instrumentation, kicker stereo, Garmin graph, as well as the RBG cup holder and speaker lighting. Come out to MarineMax in Greenville to see these boats today.